I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo993 here. I hope you're having a good day today. This is Wednesday of the trading week. I'm going to be doing my review on my trades today, and I'm going to be showing you my huge profits that I had from my swing trades that I called out yesterday. I hope you had a chance to look at my video and hope you got on the calls. They're also good for long-term investment, as I said, but let's go ahead and do a quick recap. I'm going to keep this simple and short, and I'm going to be doing my future calls later on this week, but right now let's go ahead and look at the trades from today. Alright, the first thing I'm going to show you my day trading account. So I did my Tradenet review, and so this was my day today, my P&L, that's right there. That was for my day trading account with Tradenet. This is the Colmex platform. So here's my P&L realized for today, and I had 14 tickets, so that's basically 14 trades. That's basically buy and sell in and out. So that's that for today. Looking at the individual trades, these were the ones that I traded. These were the 4 that were called out in the morning, about half an hour, and this one was my swing call from yesterday. And the rest of my calls, I took them in my Robinhood or used stock trade account. So these 4 were pretty good. They weren't bad. They kind of evened out because I had the 2 losses on here. I had 2 wins right here. And then after that, I was like, alright, I'm going to go into my call. I'm going to take a big day trade on this. And I kind of like abused the heck out of this one and squeezed in huge profits. And that just made my day. And I just exited out, closed my monitor, and closed my computer and got off. So looking at the trades, you can see them over here. So SBXY was amazing today. I got in, so I had like 3 trades on that one, total of 180 shares, and the rest one I usually take like 30 to 50 since these are big stocks, so I don't like to go in too big. And the buying power on that you can see on the intro account. And if you want to take a look at specific trades, specific by the quantity and price, this is a list showing how many times I got in and out and what price on that one. Okay, so that's that, and then I'm going to show you my swings that I made profit on. So the first one was DHI. This was like about $100 profit. This was pretty good actually. I did this on my Robinhood and my used stock trade account. I got in around 51.60, and then I averaged down on my Robinhood account to below 51 actually. I got in about 50.90, my average was 51.30, and closed today 52.10. So markets were bleeding yesterday, but so I got in. I saw MACD go in red. I told you guys I was oversold, so I hope you got this. This is going to be going up to 53, 54 by the end of this week or maybe next week. So that was DHI. And the next one, I got SBXY. This one I also did my day trade, and this was about 50, or maybe like $60 profit on that one, right there. And the next one was UDAO. This was about $40 profit, and this was really good. I'm actually still holding this one and DHI, so I haven't sold them yet. I'm holding those. I sold SBXY, and my other one was STZ. I actually didn't take an entry on that yet. I'm still waiting for it to go down. So it looks like the MACD is green right now. If you zoom in over here, it just crossed over that 200 EMA line. So I will be looking to get an entry on that. Maybe if another dip, or I'll start a position tomorrow or Friday. So overall, I was able to squeeze in like over 250, like between 250 to $300 profit today, and that was really good. So I'm still holding my UDAO and DHI, so I'm going to be looking to take profits on those tomorrow. If not, I'm going to be holding them long term. I'm going to be taking most of my profits and keep small size on those, because those are really good long term. Just look at the charts on those. I've showed them in multiple times in my videos. So I'll be making my future calls soon. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and click the bell button right next to it to stay notified on my swing calls and every time my new video comes out, just so that you can stay updated on my calls. Alright guys, if you haven't already checked out my Tradenet review, go ahead and do that. This is great for day trading in the US, and they fund you with an account. You get to keep up to 85% of the profits. My referral link is in there. You'll get a 10% discount. So make sure you check that out and just stay updated on my swing calls, because they're super good. I called this out yesterday and I made a good amount today. Alright guys, take care. Have a good trading week.